Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. What the heck happened to my hair? Anyways, today's recipe video is vegan tuna salad. Yes, it's vegan and gluten-free. To start, how do we get our tuna flavor without the tuna? The easiest way is Bragg's Organic Sea Kelp Delight. Otherwise, grab yourself some sushi nori. Don't use the whole damn sheet. Grind it up in a coffee grinder to a fine consistency. Start with our main ingredient, garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas. They have this funky skin on them that I don't particularly like, so I remove it. It's a total pain in the ass. Don't feel obligated to partake in this ritual, but if you do, just pinch it between your fingers and it'll slide right off. And here's an idea while you're deskinning those garbanzo beans, get a little exercise in. Okay, got a little exercise in, butt's a little tighter, and the skins are off the garbanzo beans. Okay, let's get started on our fresh ingredients. I use about a quarter cup of celery, diced pretty fine. It gives a great crunch. Now I use pickles, about a quarter cup of pickles. I use dill, you can use butter. If you like olives, go ahead and add those. Now 2 red onions. I used about 1 tablespoon. They can be a little bit strong, so you decide what flavor profile you want. Rest of our ingredients, salt and pepper to taste, sea kelp, and the vegan mayonnaise. All in a large bowl. Interesting thing I do to make the texture a little bit more like tuna, I use a potato masher. Yeah, that's what I said. Either one of these will work, and if you don't have one, use the back of a fork or your hand, preferably clean. I like to mash it up after I add all the ingredients. It really blends all the flavors together. Don't mash all the beans. You don't want to make it mush. So there you have it. Visit veganglutenfreelife.com for the full recipe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Check out my YouTube channel for more easy to follow video recipes. And remember to have fun in the kitchen and let me know how you made it your own. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye.